Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Alright guys, so say you are into mountain biking, rock climbing, you're in construction, you're a very active person, but you have to wear glasses. Whether they are prescription glasses, whether they are protection type glasses, whether they are sunglasses, it doesn't matter. It's always a pain because if you're moving around a whole lot, bending over, leaning, they try to fall off. So how do we keep them on? Well, for years, people always use straps to hold their glasses. The thing about those that suck is they're very loose. They kind of hang down, drape on your neck. You know, I don't like the look. I don't like the feel. But there's a company called SIGONNA, S-I-G-O-N-N-A. They have come up with a solution to that age-old problem. They give you a way to hold the glasses but not look tacky, and actually I think it's a much stronger, better system than the traditional way. So how they have done it is they call it a tailless system. It's just like this. There are no tails, and it is adjustable, and it's done with silicone. So how they do adjust it is you just take the little black piece right here and you're going to slide it back or forward. It's that simple. You adjust it that quickly. And they do offer 3 different sizes, and all 3 sizes are fully adjustable just like this one. Now, why is this different though? Not only is it silicone and adjustable, but if you take off my hat here and put these on, my mic is right here, so I have to make sure you guys can hear me. But I do not have it tightened to my head yet, but what it's going to do is it's going to pull nice and tight. And when I bend over, I do not have to worry about my glasses falling off onto the ground and being destroyed. It also makes it extremely comfortable and easy just to keep them on. Even when I have the old traditional type lanyard type glass holders on, what happens is I'll pull those loose and I just let them hang on my chest 90% of the time. This keeps me from doing that. It keeps my glasses on my head because they're nice and snug. Everything fits very nicely. So a couple of the other things that they do that is really cool here. Now, they make this, like I said, out of 100% silicone, so it's stretchable. It's not going to tear up real easy. It's very comfortable, not going to rip your hair out. But the very tip right here that actually goes onto your temples. Now, the temples are also the arms of your glasses, if you're not familiar with that terminology. But it has a hole in the back of it. So they're very flexible. They're going to grab a hold of that temple or arm, but they have a hole in the back. So if you have the very narrow, like little arms that go through, that there is not much of an ear stop here, that it can literally go all the way through that and further up to be able to hold a little bit tighter. So it's going to work pretty much in any type of an arm or temple that you have. Now, when you do have to use the little hole and it goes all the way through, you're going to have that little part sticking out, which is kind of a sharp edge. They give you a couple of little stops that you can put on those to cover those up as well. So that even makes that a little more comfortable for you. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars, and I'd probably give it 7 or 8 if I could, because somebody spent an awful lot of time trying to figure this out and make sure that it not only works well, lasts a long time, but it is also extremely comfortable. So do yourself a favor. If you are needing something to hold your glasses to your head, if you're in the construction industry and they're constantly falling off, or if you are an athlete and you cannot keep these things on and you're running a marathon, whatever it is you're doing, do yourself a favor. Pick yourself up a set today. And by the way, a set on this is going to come with 2 of them, not just 1. So you're going to get 2 when you order it. Pick yourself up a pack today, and we'll see you on the next review.